Hey everyone, friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can see your favorite videos and reels in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes for sure, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. Let us get started with you. So, first of all, we're going to need to open the Instagram app. And here, in order to view the reels with which you once liked, you will need to go to your page. To do that, at the bottom, you click on your profile picture. Then at the top, you click on the three bars to go to the settings menu. And this is where you'll need to go if you have a settings menu like I do. Into your activity section. You might have a slightly different Instagram functionality, and then you'll need to go to settings. And this is where you'll be able to find, somewhere around here, a little bit below here, you'll be able to find your activity section. Once you go to your activity section, you select likes. Next, you're going to be shown absolutely all the likes that you've put on Instagram. They can be reels, they can be just videos, publications. And in order to find specifically reels videos, you select at the top all content types. Now we can see that you have that filter. These are posts and reels. You uncheck the box next to the word posts. You're left with only reels. And then you confirm the action. And now, as you can see, only the reels videos that you like are left here. And in order to remove, for example, some video, or to view it, you just click on this video. And as you can see, the clip that you once liked appears. If you realize that you don't like it at the moment, you just choose to like it. And then the video will no longer appear on that list. But to check this, you go back to your page. Go back to your activity, likes. You find reels. And as you can compare those videos that I removed the likes from, they're no longer on that list. So that's the simple way you can see absolutely all of the reels videos you've liked on the Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.